Last year, we launched ComIDP, an all-in-one intelligent document solution from ComPDF that covers the entire document processing workflow. We also released brand new online demos and tutorials to help you try out ComIDP for free easily. Now in 2025, we've taken things further, adding powerful new features like intelligent document extraction and document Q&A, along with updated demos for you to explore. So in today's video, we'll walk you through how to use each of ComIDP's tools. First, let's click here to enter the ComIDP Demo Center. Here, you can learn about all the tools, the tech behind them, and how they help you process documents intelligently. Next, click here to open the IDP tool interface. From there, you can switch between different tools. We'll now go through each one in order. The goal of intelligent document parsing is to turn unstructured documents into structured JSON data, providing accurate data for downstream applications. Powered by AI, our tool can smartly process and understand the content of your documents, maintaining the original reading logic and accurately identifying and categorizing elements, modules, and structures with up to 98% accuracy. Just upload your document with one click. And the parsed results will appear on the right side. You can download them directly. All you need to do is upload your invoice document. On the right side of the screen, you'll see options to either enable AI extraction or set up a custom extraction. If you go with the AI extraction, our intelligent document extraction tool will automatically pull all the information from the invoice using advanced technologies like patented table recognition, document layout analysis, and key value pair detection. It also organizes the data for you, so you can choose exactly what type of content you want, like just the text or just the tables. Once the data is extracted, you can easily copy or edit it right there, ensuring a high level of accuracy. If you choose custom extraction, you'll need to enter the specific fields you want to pull. For example, if you want text fields, you might enter things like invoice number, a page number, a name, email, etc. For table data, like headers, you could input product, payment cycle, equipment level, price. You get the idea. When everything's set, just hit the .extract button and the system will take care of the rest. Super easy. You can also download the extracted data as a JSON file for further analysis. Our intelligent document extraction tool integrates seamlessly with CRM and ERP systems, helping businesses streamline tasks like invoice and contract processing, cut down on manual work, and boost overall efficiency. Just upload your document, select the appropriate language, and you're all set. On the right-hand side, type your question into the chat box, and instantly, the system provides accurate, context-aware answers based on your document. Our intelligent document Q&A tool leverages advanced technology to truly understand your content, so responses are not only fast but highly relevant. It can also be seamlessly embedded into your knowledge base, allowing you to retrieve information simply by asking questions. No need to search manually. It's an efficient way to access the information you need, right when you need it. The tool works in two key ways. It helps you quickly locate specific details in your document, or it helps you summarize the document content quickly. Just ask a question, like I did, and you'll get an answer in seconds. It's especially useful for documents packed with information. These three tools are designed to extract different types of content from your documents. Intelligent text extraction combines traditional OCR with AI to accurately recognize text in over 80 languages, enabling precise text extraction from documents in various languages and formats. Intelligent table extraction uses ComPDF's natural table recognition algorithm to accurately detect and extract data from both standard and non-standard tables in documents. Intelligent stamp extraction can recognize seals on contracts and invoices across multiple industries, capturing text from one or more seals, regardless of their color or shape. These two tools are focused on improving image quality. The Intelligent Image Distortion Correction tool intelligently detects the edges of the images and utilizes AI technology to correct distortion for deformed images, including tilt, skew, perspective, etc. The Intelligent Image Enhancement tool is designed for low-quality images, sharpening and refining them to improve text clarity and readability. ComIDP's newly introduced knowledge base supports Q&A from unstructured documents, speeding up knowledge retrieval and minimizing manual effort. It offers flexible model configurations, including Gemini, ChatGPT, Qwen, DeepSeek, Llama, and more. The system can also be fine-tuned for specific industry scenarios, ensuring accurate, context-aware answers that meet business needs. Visit the ComIDP IDP Demo Center and start exploring intelligent document processing today. That's all. See you next time.